YouTube? It's your boy Just Stang, bro. This video will be sponsored by Weekly Boosted. That's my sponsor on the car. You know, go use my discount code and order from them, okay? But it's hot in here. That's wax. Today I'm gonna be teaching how to do a burnout in the 2013 model Mustang after the government braking system. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Peace. Yo. Alright, can y'all see? Alright, I got advanced traction off. Sports, how you switch it? Go to 1, go to 2, and back to 1, you'll be in the burnout. Watch this.
Man, the goddamn scat pack, you stay on your side of the road.
Let's go, bro. See what you working with. Oh, you not working with nothing?
Damn. Hey, that's how you do a burnout, bro.
No cap, no kizzy. Take out the bonnet easy, you feel me?
I would shout out the YouTuber that something, but I didn't read his name, bro. Sorry about that, yo. That's how you do a burnout, man. Look, this was a little quick video. Just show y'all how to do it. Look, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe.
Go follow the TikTok.
Yeah, I get a lot of hate on TikTok. Y'all should see how many people hitting on me, dog. Sounds like a B6. It's right, you know, it's right, it's a B6. I popped the hood from and everything, bro. I just got my mufflers to do. But I'm gonna say you leave a like, comment, subscribe, comment your favorite car, comment how if you ever did the burnout, you know, how big was it? Man, this was a little burnout, bro. Hope y'all have a blessed day. This is Just Stang coming out with another video tomorrow too. It's Vlogmas December. Peace.